Hi friends, welcome to Scribbles from Emily. Today I'm going to be showing you some Nordic and modern Christmas decorations that I've made with the help of Edison. Starting with these marble Christmas balls. So to make these, you'll need these clear plastic ornaments from the Dollar Tree. They're $1 for 2, and then you'll just need to add little bits of your paint to the inside of the ornament. So I'm using some white chalk paint, some gold metallic paint that I'll have linked down below, and then some navy blue and light pink paint that were samples that we used in our house. And then you will just roll the ornament around, shake it as needed to get the paint to move around the inside of the ornament. I really like how this turns out because the outside of the ornament is still shiny, so it looks like glass. And I also love that these ornaments are plastic, so I don't have to worry about some accidents happening with some little boys. But slowly pouring and moving the paint around on the inside creates some really cool looking patterns.
Now I can try to find a high, strong branch. Wow, I can do it so high, see? So high from the ground. Then it won't get it that high.
It's true.
Ooh, how about...
My second ornament DIY, so I'm just dipping these glass balls into chalk paint. And this one I'm just doing a spotted pattern on. The chalk paint dries super matte, and it almost looks like ceramic when it's dry, which gives a really cool effect. So I'm just covering up some of these ornaments. I wasn't wild about the colors of my ornaments. I'm kind of moving towards a more minimalist color scheme with a lot more white, and so just repainting these ornaments is a great way to reuse them. Also, the navy blue paint dried super matte and looks really cool too. So they are in process of drying. You may need to do a couple coats to get good coverage. This is how they are turning out. I really love how the dipped ornaments turned out. It's much easier to dip the top half so you can turn them upside down to dry. Then on the big balls, I'm just writing with some of the gold paint, and then I'm using the gold paint to paint a few simple accents on some of the other ornaments, which is totally optional. You could keep it as simple or go as fancy as you'd like. There's tons of great inspiration on Pinterest for hand-painted ornaments, but I like the simple sort of star look. And then I'm adding all the tops back to the ornaments, and they're ready to hang. For our next ornament DIY, we are making some simple clay ornaments with cookie cutters and this air dry clay I bought off of Amazon. I'll have a link to that down below as well. I tried to use the wax paper to cover the table with some mixed success. I mean, it's better than getting clay all over the table. Edison and I have a lot of fun making these. When they're dry, you could totally dip these in gold paint. You could also paint them with the chalk paint to have a more ceramic look. But I kind of like the clay look when they were finally dry. They weren't as white as I expected them to be, but I kind of like the natural look too. I'm using a straw to poke holes in the top of each ornament so that when they dry, we'll be able to put some burlap twine through for hanging. And then we just let them air dry for 24 hours. And now we're going to take our pieces of twine and string them through.
Okay, I put it through the hole.
Nice. Now you just gotta tie it in a knot.
I don't know how to do that.
Our next DIY project is using these wood beads to create some ornaments and also a wood bead garland. So I've got Edison working on the garland here with the large and medium sized beads, and then I'm working on these little icicle type ornaments that turn out super cute. I made some little tassels with our twine, and I'm going to attach these to the ends of our wood bead garland. And there it is. I think it turned out really cute. Edison did a great job. He got most of it strung before he got bored. And this looks really cute on our chalkboard. I think there's a lot of places we could put it. And when I get some more wood beads, I want to make a longer one. And then these are how our little icicles turned out. Super cute. So this is our final tree. I've got a mix of vintage ornaments, some of these other ornaments that you might recognize from my anthropology video, and the ones we made today. Well, I hope you enjoyed the series of DIY videos. Be sure to check out the playlist that'll link down below. That has our DIYs from West Elm, Anthropology, Pottery Barn, and 2 videos of Harry Potter Christmas tree ornaments. Of course, my tree only has ornaments from about 2/3 up, because somebody really enjoys taking the ornaments off the tree. If you enjoyed this series, be sure to let me know down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the new year.
Fell half on the ground. Then it won't get it that high.
It's true.